Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to search for flights on the Yatra application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my cool YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, you should go to your home page by tapping on this home button down below in the left side corner and tap on flights at the top of the screen. Then you should select the type of trip at the top, one-way, round trip, multi-city or discover. Then select your departure point on the left side and select your destination. Select your departure date and your return date. Tap on the done button and select the traveler class. Select the class and the number of travelers and tap on the search flights button down below to search for the available flights. If there is any, it will appear at this section and you will be able to browse among the flights. So here you can see them. Just tap on the relevant one and click on the button proceed down below to check out the prices, and you can book the tickets as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.